Hey there, viewers. Who doesn't love being showered with compliments on their looks? We often obsess over our hair, clothing, and skin, so hearing good things from a complete stranger can brighten your day. But here's the problem. Looks fade with age. Some people age quicker than others. For example, did you know that women tend to age quicker than men? Let's discuss just that in today's video. How exactly do women age faster? Is stress a factor? Are men literally thicker skinned? Can pregnancy make you look older? We're talking about all of that and more. You can dress young or get your hair styled and colored according to the latest trend, but no amount of makeup is enough to cover underlying skin flaws. We usually buy skin products endorsed by our favorite celebrities, hoping they actually work. These products are effective only up to a certain extent. We often see couples looking the same age. That is until after a certain number of years go by. At this point, the woman often looks visibly older than the man. At the same time, women tend to live longer than men. Have any of your makeup products ever given you an allergic reaction? Sound off in the comments section and start a conversation with our Bestie community. So, what's the reason behind females aging quicker? Well, there are several reasons why it happens, all of which are scientific. Let's get into some of them. Stress. Women often face more stress in their lifetime than men. This is due to various challenges involving the workplace and family balance. A mother may oftentimes pass up on a significant job opportunity to take care of her children. Sacrificing a career to look after family members would stress anyone out. This may seem like nothing from the eyes of an outsider, but it leaves a significant impact on the mental health of women. Stress is directly related to aging. Women who are stressed often consume a poor diet. A malnourished body will always feel sick and tired. Stressed out people usually don't put much of an effort into exercise or skincare. This will cause early graying of the hair and wrinkled skin. Stress also leads to issues like obesity, hypertension, and diabetes. These conditions lead to more stress on the body, causing a vicious cycle of early aging in women. These conditions can alter their mental well-being, which only causes more stress. Nobody can argue about the benefits of a stress-free lifestyle. Women should identify the factors causing stress in their lives and try things like meditation, yoga, and sports. This way, the stress bar is low. Their partners can also help by recognizing when they're stressed and looking into how they can contribute to making things easier. Looking for answers on all the latest health and wellness news? Hit that subscribe button and join our millions of followers. Stay up to date on all of our great Bestie content. Pregnancy. Childbirth is not an easy thing. It's a difficult journey that poses a significant risk to the mental and physical health of a woman. Giving birth to a baby changes a woman's mind and body pretty significantly. A buddy once showed evidence that there were genetic changes in women post-childbirth. Analysis of these genetic markers showed that women had undergone aging at the cellular level much faster than their male counterparts. The study involved examining genetic markers called telomeres. Telomeres are genetic molecules that occupy the end of our chromosomes and are associated with the loss of cognitive function, cardiovascular disease, and cancer. The researchers showed that women post-childbirth had shorter telomeres, and the length only got smaller after each child. It was assumed that stress related to childbirth was the cause behind telomere shortening. A stress-free childbirth can limit the aging process to some extent. Pregnancy is a difficult time for women. While carrying another human being can be rewarding, it is quite exhausting. Starting from the days of nonstop vomiting and nausea to the decreased mobility and mood swings, pregnancy is a daunting process. It drains you of all your energy. Not only that, but some women also undergo postpartum depression, which also hurts their health. Loss of libido and hours of breastfeeding are also things associated with early aging. Some studies even claim that pregnancy takes away 11 years of a woman's youth. Before we move ahead, here's another video you might like. Watch and learn more about 18 best foods you should eat to help relieve stress. Now back to our discussion. Men have thicker skin. Of course, I'm being literal here. Skin is the largest organ in the human body. It performs so many different functions. However, did you know that men and women have a difference in their skin quality? It's a known fact that men have thicker skin than women. This causes them to get fewer lines and wrinkles. But why exactly? Well, have you ever heard of collagen? Collagen serves as a sort of scaffolding to your skin. It provides skin with elasticity and keeps it in shape. Without collagen, our skin will appear weak and loose. The depletion of collagen increases significantly in women post-menopause. This causes wrinkle formation and aging of the skin. Men have larger sebaceous glands in their skin. They also have larger skin pores than women, leading to greater production of sebum. This is skin oil. Sebum lubricates the skin, giving it a sort of protection. Their skin often appears smoother than women's. Skin with less sebum will age earlier. Dermatologists also claim that regular exfoliation helps boost men's collagen production. They often get this from shaving their face. Blame it on the hormones. You know the difference between testosterone and estrogen, right? It's pretty significant when it comes to the subject of aging. Testosterone is the hormone behind masculinity, strength, and libido in men. Recent studies suggest that it also may play a role in slowing down aging. In males, the ratio of testosterone to estrogen is higher than females who have the exact opposite. Lower testosterone in females compared to males is linked with faster aging in women. It's said that testosterone converts to estradiol, which is associated with longer telomeres. This slows down aging. Although the estrogen hormone in females also has anti-aging properties, the rate at which its levels decline overpowers its ability to prevent aging. Testosterone, on the other hand, has a slower rate of decline, preventing aging for a longer period of time. In the end, aging catches up with all of us. Menopause. Menopause is a significant stage in a woman's life. It signifies the end of their reproductive years. Menopause is associated with significant decline in hormones like estrogen and progesterone. These hormones play a role in preventing the aging of women. Recent studies suggest that menopause may be associated with acceleration of aging. Experts studied the DNA of women post-menopause. They analyzed alterations in postmenopausal women and found that menopause could be behind aging. They also found that women who had their ovaries removed were also prone to aging. There is one cause associated with menopause. Remember collagen from a moment ago? Well, collagen production significantly declines in women post-menopause. This causes your body to look older than it really is. Since your skin is losing elasticity, aging increases. Staying healthy is important whether you're a man or a woman. If you notice yourself aging a little quicker than you should be, you may not be treating your body right. Let's talk about a couple more age-related videos, shall we? Learn about the 7 body parts that can give away your age. Or how about you catch up on the 12 best foods for healthy skin? Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both, and learn more about how the aging process works. Do you feel like you're aging faster than you should be? Let us know in the comments below.